funny because there's like one place that I can stand in my house that isn't totally destroyed. Who am I? Honestly, oh God. We don't have enough storage. There's so much going on. Good morning, good life. It's not ever a perfect day, is it? Welcome back to AmyTV. I am starting the vlog. Oh, my tree's off. It's very hard to enjoy the tree from the camera because of all of the light bouncing that's going on, but it looks just as good when it's off, doesn't it? Clearly I'm obsessed with my tree. So I'm about to head into the office. It's actually kind of like halfway through the day. I've had a lot going on. Filming, I had a meeting this morning. You've probably seen it on a former video. So I need to go in to pass off some footage to my editor, do a little like touch base with the team. I'm also doing an Instagram live interview with my friend Sue B. Maybe have you pop in for that for a little bit. What else is going on? Lucy hopefully is getting tuckered out at the daycare. That's what we're always pulling for. And yeah, basically just trying to bear this cold. It's freezing. It is so freezing outside, it's insane. So I imagine tomorrow when I go to New York, going to New York tomorrow, it's not gonna be much better. So I'm kind of bracing myself for that. Do I need a spray tan? Probably not. Do I never travel without a spray tan? Pretty much never. So decisions. I'm gonna head to the office. I'm gonna put a big coat on, a little on brand. I know, had to wear a little pink for an interview that I know I'm gonna be on video, so. That's what we're doing. Let's do it.
Whose turn is it? No. You know what? We I don't know how, but like we got along so great. Like the three of us and how we made that work. It was like, oh, Amy's in LA on that Sunday, so she's got to go last.
Right. And Vincenzo and I talked about community, and that was really my first experience to grow an explosive community from the three of us to the point where we had a Facebook group, and we had so many people sharing your journey from, we decided, okay, year, that was fun, this is great, time to move on. It was all in a good spirit. It was all like, we knew that we were all heading into different areas.
Engagement level and different elements. So it was a really fun campaign while we did it. There were so many people who were just as committed to Sundays as we were and would watch, and that was just a lot of fun. And obviously it brought all three of us closer together. Two of us got married, but that's okay. What's the name?
Christopher Shingle.
The whole name?
You
think
write Chris.
He wants the whole name?
You can write Chris.
Do you think he wants Chris? No, I mean his last name. I can write Christopher.
Oh, yeah, write Christopher.
Okay, I can write Christopher. Is it two to Christopher? The other one too?
Yeah, but you don't have to write to Christopher on him on that one. I'm gonna write all over this one anyway. He wants me to sign this one, yeah. Well, I don't know that he wants me to, but I'm going to, and he's gonna enjoy it.
Okay, so what do you want me to write in this one then?
To Chris' friend, I don't know.
You want me to do both of them to Christopher?
No, I don't know. This is the one he's giving to somebody.
So then I probably shouldn't write to Christopher.
You just sign Amy Landino.
Okay.
Yeah. This is.
Should I write Amy Landino?
Yeah.
You can check with him to see if I was supposed to do something different for that one if you want. Since he has special access.
Right.
Okay, 2 bookmarks.
I was handing them out at the party and I didn't realize they were double-sided.
They are double-sided. That's so funny. My brother said the same thing. He was like, oh, I couldn't decide if I wanted a yellow or a pink. And I was like, well, you can have both.
That's because I handed it to him and I was like, do you want yellow or pink? And he was like, yellow.
There you go. It's the two of you who are doing it. It's amazing.
All right, rushed back home, changed my clothes because I have an interview with my friend Jay now. It's an interview kind of day. We're on a podcast tour. That's what's happening. Need more coffee. People were asking me to speak about video and what is it that actually makes it work. And the only thing I could really point to was that, you know, when you see a comment on a video that's like, I feel like you made that for me, or you're my favorite YouTuber, how do you get to that point? How do you become someone's favorite? It's not like I came out of nowhere. It's not like this just happens. You stumble upon these valuable pieces of advice and information through experience, and this was my experience. So it was fascinating to me that, again, I had learned something new. I learned, 1, you can make a video for one person and affect the many, and then I learned 2, if you learn how to communicate in a medium, that you might be able to communicate in other mediums well. Just because you make free videos on the internet doesn't mean that you're too good to write a book. And because of speaking, I realized I was missing a piece, and it was having a book. So that's when my first book came out, and I couldn't believe now how many people have been touched by my message because I now entered their medium of choice, like reading or listening on Audible. But you have to make a video for 2 people. It's gotta be for your Charlotte, and it also has to be for you. Because if we've seen too many people doing things for the wrong reasons, and that's why they don't have staying power. They get to their 100th episode and they get to some milestone they thought was going to be a big deal, and then it's really not a big deal. It doesn't move the needle. It's just a pretty number, and then it's not enough for them.
Say hi to Ben, please, and have a very Merry Christmas.
I will, you too. Tell the family we said hi.
You guys are.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, I'm gonna have to end this vlog here. I've got to get packed up at least a little bit. I usually pack at the last second, especially since we're only going to New York for like 5 minutes. Gotta pack up a little bit before we leave. I've got some things I gotta take care of. I'm waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be a whole situation. So that's what's going on. That's it for this episode of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it as always. Make sure you subscribe for good vibes, kiss the ones you love, and go after the life you want. Cheers. Hey, are you struggling to find time for the things you love? Feel like you're constantly on the go, but taking care of everyone else first? You are not alone, and you deserve so much more. Not only are you capable of taking on this challenge, you already have all the tools it takes to make it happen. That resourcefulness is all you need to get activated by your new daily mantra. Good morning, good life. It's my new book, and it launches on Amazon on December 10th. More details at goodmorninggoodlife.com. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.